Yo, what's up guys, it's Frisky here. With today's video I'm exposing the secret stretch resolution which all the pro players have been holding. Not only am I going to show you that, I'm going to show you the best new stretch resolution to use and you to get no input delay while using it. Make sure to follow my instructions for the full video because if you mess anything up it can leave you clueless, honestly. So then guys, the first part you need to do is you need to go Windows button R to get the run box up, and you want to go %app data %, you want to enter, okay. Then what you want to do from there is you want to go back to which is app data, local. Then you want to scroll down until you find Fortnite game. You want to click on that, go to saved, and go to config, Windows client, and then what you want to do from the game user settings, you want to right click on that, properties, untick read only, apply. Then you're going to go back onto it, and what you're going to do is you have any old stretch resolutions which you used to play, you want to revert it all the back to 1080p again. You put it all back to normal, back to stock, and then here you had it before you played any other stretch resolution this way anyway. And then once you've done that, you need to go back off this, back to properties, read only, apply, okay, and that's the first part sorted. So next then boys, what we're looking at now is you need to go to the NVIDIA control panel, and I want you to go to adjust desktop size and position. What you can do from there to make sure, because what we're trying to do is we're actually trying to display scale the monitor to the native res of what you just created, if that makes any sense. So your custom resolution basically, you want your monitor to be the native res. So what you can do is you can click on no scaling from your actual GPU, and then you want it to perform scaling on your display, only display, not your GPU, not GPU scaling, but display scaling right now. So once you've display scaled and make sure all you've refreshed right, everything's fine, click apply, and then we can go on to the next bit. So then boys, to get the custom resolution which we want, we're going to have to come to this link and download the custom resolution utility. You can click free download, you can download from one of these free links right here, and then once you've done that, you should end up with this. Then from here, you're going to double click on that, and then you'll have these 4 boxes, and we'll talk about this later about resetting all. That's if you don't want the resolution anymore after you've done it. But we're going to go to this one at the top, the cru.exex. We're going to launch that, and it'll bring this box up. Now from this box, we're going to start from the top and work our way to the bottom. You want to delete all, add, and you want to add the custom resolution which you want to use. And today the one we want to use is 1722x1070, and you got to make sure to put your refresh rate in here. If you forget about that, it's going to lock it to 60Hz automatically, so make sure you put your custom refresh rate in there. Click OK, and then next you have to make sure down here you put 1080p in on this, or whatever your resolution, your native resolution in monitor is. You have to put that in, and you leave it on 60Hz also. Now going to the last extension blocks bit, you need to make sure you don't delete these data blocks here. You only want to delete these top two. I can't remember why, but you only delete the top 2 there, and then that's just how it works. And then all these resolutions on the side, you don't want these on there, so you want to click none, and then click OK from there. Then after you've done your custom resolution, what you're going to do is you're going to click restart 64 if you've got a 64-bit computer, and if you've got 32-bit, then you're only going to click just restart.xex. That is it. Then what will happen is you'll get a black screen for a little while, and then it should go away. But if it doesn't go away, and you get permanent 2 black screens, I have a fix in the description which can help you fix that, and then you can retry after you've sorted your computer out. But then after you've done that, you'll get a little box on your screen. You just click the red X, and then you sort it from there, and I'll take you to the next bit after that. So guys, you should have just got the flicker on your screen right now, and after the flicker's gone, we can go on to the next part. The next part is getting onto your control panel again to change resolution. And what you should see now is you shouldn't see what I've got on my screen because I haven't done it. But what you should see down here is you should see your custom resolution with native next to it. Then what you can do is you're going to click on that, make sure the refresh rate is on whatever your refresh rate your monitor is. You're going to click on that, apply, and then what it'll do is it will go straight onto your monitor, and you should see that your monitors are stretched automatically from not even being in the game. And then when you go into the game on Fortnite, what will happen is your actual resolution, just like when you used to stretch res on the old res, it'd say 1920 by 1080, but when you go into the game now, it will actually say 1722x1070 or whatever your custom resolution is, because we have stretched the actual resolution of the monitor and made it native. And now guys, we're having a scaled display to your custom resolution. What this will do is you can play full screen on Fortnite in your custom resolution. You won't get any input delay at all. It'll be just like playing 1920 by 1080, and you won't have to play full screen windowed or anything like that. And then you'll notice that your delay in game will just be 0 pretty much. Now then guys, if you want to revert your resolution because you're either finding it a bit shit and you can't watch YouTube videos properly, or you just don't want to play it anymore because it's probably hurting your eyes, all you need to do is literally just click reset all, press yes, reset all displays and delete inactive entries, yes, and then as soon as you've done that, all you have to do is literally just click restart 64.exe again, and then everything will go back to normal, and then just go back to your Nvidia, back to 1920 by 1080p native, and you're sorted, and you're back to normal, just like that goes. So guys, that's how you get stretch res in chapter 2 season 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to hit the like button and turn post notifications on and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.